பாய்ஸ் ஒரு நல்ல காரியத்துக்காக இப்பதான் முதல் விஷயம் பண்றீங்க.
All the 10 kilometers to assemble near the stage. Near the stage with the warm up. All the 10-kilometer riders. I hope you all had a warm up session. You had a warm up session. You did your warm up. You did your warm up. Warm up. All right. We'll wait for a few people to join.
It's a privilege for the 10 kilometers.
A very good morning, guys. So this event is all about creating awareness for stem cell donation and blood donation. So Dhatri approached us and told us that they were going to conduct a awareness event where cyclists will be they'll be going for 100-kilometer event, 50-kilometer event, and 10-kilometer event for the kids. So they said, why don't you guys bring your Superbikes and do some piloting. Piloting is kind of a thing where you go up in the front and the cyclists will be coming on your way. I mean, like, they'll be coming behind you. So we'll be going through those ways first and we'll be coming back first. So that's how it was. So Dhatri approached us and we said, why not doing something for the good? So all of us, all of the riders who you see have registered themselves as donors for stem cell as well as blood. So we take pride and we are happy about it. And that's what you'll be seeing through the rest of the video. Long press பண்ணுங்க. Long press. படபடல இல்ல. அப்படியே வெயிட் பண்ணுங்க. லாங் பிரஸ் பண்ணுங்க. பேரிங் மோட்ல போடுங்க. லாங் பிரஸ் பண்ணி பேரிங் மோட்ல போடுங்க. லாங் பிரஸ் பண்ணி பேரிங் மோட்ல போடுங்க. இல்ல அது இல்ல. ஆன் பண்ணீங்கல? கேக்குதா? கிராஸ் பண்ண உடனே கரெக்ட் ஆச்சு. இல்ல அது கரெக்ட்டா பண்ணனும். கரெக்ட்டா பண்ணா தெரியும். மழை பெய்ய போதா? சரி, போலீஸ்ல மாட்டா ரிட்டர்ன் வரும். ஓ, இதுதான் கடைசியா? ஆமாம், இதுதான் கடைசி. சிவா சொல்லுங்க. ஆமாம், யோ 50 கிலோமீட்டர் தான் வந்திருக்கோம். ஆமாம், 50 கிலோமீட்டர் ஓட்டிட்டு சீனு அவனுக்குலாம் யோசிப்பானுங்க. அடைய மாட கெட்டவனுங்களா. So we have finally reached the 100-kilometer 50-kilometer pit stop. So we'll have to go back to complete the 100 kilometers. And as you can see, we have people over here having their refreshments, and we have our boys over here. The Sunday around 7-6. So we have completed the 50 kilometers and we have to go back, which is around 100 kilometers. And this will be a part of Dhatri's social awareness event. So our boys are already over here. We had our refreshments and we'll be going back. We have some memento, I guess. We have some memento and we have some medals and breakfast over there. So yeah. Hey, எப்பறா யோசிச்சு நைட் ஃபுல்லா உட்கார்ந்து நைட் ஃபுல்லா உட்கார்ந்து யோசிச்சதானே? ப்ரோ அப்படியே ஸ்ட்ரைட் அப் ஆஃப் பண்ணிருக்கீங்களா? இந்த வண்டி தான் முதல்ல எடுக்கணும். என்ன வண்டி? அது என்னடா என் வண்டி மேலே எல்லாம் குறியா இருக்கீங்க? சிவா எங்க எங்க திரும்பி அதே அந்த இடத்துக்கு போனோம். எப்படி போனோம் அதுக்கு? சரிங்க, இங்கே ஒருத்தன் நம்மளை ஃபோட்டோ எடுக்கிறான், அதை முடிச்சு பண்ணிவிடும். ஆகாஷ் அவன் போயிட்டான். ஆகாஷ் அவன் போயிட்டான். வெயிட் பண்ணி பார்த்துட்டு இருக்காரு.
Alright,
क्या है contest?
we set to go. You must easily use your mobile phones and lose the experience. Anyway, so the contest is that you are the judges, okay? Are you all ready to be the judges? Yes? Respond to something at least. Yes? Yeah. Alright, yeah. So the contest is that we will see which bike makes the best of noise. You know, the best of noise. Alright? But not like, see, listen.
Hey, வாடா போயிடலாம். வா போயிடலாம்.
One at a time, okay? One at a time. See, come on. See, I know you guys.
ஓ ரஞ்சு குடுறா. ரஞ்சு குடுறா.
I mean, it's not that way. See, this may be the best bike, but it's not up to the bike. It's up to them. Okay, it's up to them. It's up to them. Alright, I'll start from this corner. Yeah, you go first. Come on,
எப்படி
give the best
மாட
shot. Let's
போகுது.
Alright, guys, ready, ready.
ஓ அதான் நெருப்பல கேட்டேன்.
Guys, you don't make noise when you're doing it. You don't make noise. When I ask you, what's your name?
ரஞ்சு ஜாய் பகடா ரஞ்சு.
When I say, how about Shiva? You make noise. So I choose whichever is the best noise.
டேய் வாடா போ.
We do what, Shiva? What do you? Alright, how about Shiva? Okay, so, your name's up? Okay, we have Akash.
ரஞ்சு நான் போயிடுறேன் ரஞ்சு. நான் ஓரமா போயிடுறேன். கேட்டா வண்டி எடுத்து எதுக்கு?
Okay, you need something you put there? Alright. So, yeah, you want to cheer for him. Alright, so how about Akash? Alright, come on. It's good. Your name is now?
சரத் சரத்.
Okay, Sharath this name. Okay. So it's just one Sharath?
வா சரத்.
Okay, one Sharath. Let's make this correct. Sharath. True. Right. So, I mean, see, if you touch that silencer, you got. Yeah. See. Alright. How about Mr. One Sharath? Come on, make some noise, guys! Nobody here is good as that bike, no? Yeah, let's make this noise. Your name, sir? Okay, Ranju. Okay, You're the guy they're feeling about? You forgot me. I'm supposed to ask this question, okay? So how about run 2? Yeah, you don't. How about Tom? I guess we have a few bikers waiting outside if you want to join the contest. No, I love his helmet, you know, it's seriously sizzling hot. Yo, so it's like, is that an FC? Oh, alright. So, you know the contest? You make noise with your bike and we choose which is the best noise. And your good name? Okay, he's Pradeep. Okay, could you do it? Alright, on 3, 2, 1, over to Pradeep. Alright, okay, so can I have Mr. Sindhuja to come forward and present the gift to...
There's one Harley, the Harley.
Oh, okay. Silent killer, huh? What's your name? What's your name? Gautam. He has this baby face assassin. Alright, Gautam, 3, 2, 1. Let's go.
Hey, Satra.
Make some noise, it's okay, we love Harley. Alright. Thank you, Mr. Gautam. Guys, if there's anything you feel as such as there's a tie between somebody, you have to tell me, is there a tie between somebody? Kawasaki and? Okay, Ninja and the? I mean, hey, be clear. Yeah, be clear. Yamaha and this Yamaha one. Oh, okay, who's riding this? Alright, we have to give it one more try, you know? Alright? You make noise, okay? I see 600 there. Let's do the 600. You guys, you know, stay away from the bikes. Alright. Cool, thank you, Sanjay. So, can we have the Kawasaki one more time and the Yamaha, alright? So you go first. Alright, guys, it's not safe for you to be too close to the bikes. Please stay away, please. Let them do their, work, yeah. Yeah, go back. You wanted it, you're getting it. Let's go, 3, 2, 1, over to you. Alright, let's have the Kawasaki right away. I mean, are you going to dash out to some people there? Oh, yeah. You're doing that. Oh, he's going to show some flames. Let's hear it up for him, come on. Woo! People stay away, please don't go close to the bikes. Enjoy the experience. Somebody started a lorry, I guess. Oh, there's some flames. See, you know how scary that is. How could you do that to us, you know? You close your eyes and you want us to I mean, yes, and you want us to listen to it. Yeah, can you have Mrs. Induja, please, to come forward and give us to Mr. Pradeep, if I'm not wrong? Yeah.
No. Ranju.
Ranju, yeah. Please. Yeah, rather. Fish from Pro Bikers.
How are you feeling?
Guys, I mean, some people are asking me, do we decide? Is it the Kawasaki or the Yamaha? Tell me, no? I mean, wait. To the Yamaha? Make some noise for the Yamaha. Guys, make some noise for the Yamaha. Alright, let's try it out. Make some noise for the Ninja. It's similar, right? It was like the Yamaha was the Ninja. So, Mr. Suresh, you know, and the guy you all love, TrackSarath, please do come forward on the stage to TrackSarath. I don't think I'll have to tell you to make noise for this guy, yeah? No, make noise for Sharath, no? See? Thank you so much, Sharath. I was happy to have you. Be honest.
And with the event was a beautiful success, and thanks to the squad over here, Shiva, Gautam, Pradeep, Tom, Akash, Ranju, and Sanjay over there. Thanks to all these people, the event was a great success, and we all registered as donors. TrackSarath! So we all registered. Hey, we all.
He's excited because he got a girl's number.
We all registered as a donor today, so we are happy about it. This event is mainly to create awareness, for people to register themselves as a donor. So yeah, thank you so much.